Today I am discussing about ratio for BCom Part 3rd Honors Subject Management Accounting. What is ratio? First of all, we should know about its meaning. Meaning of ratio. Ratio analysis is one of the powerful technique for the purpose of analyzing financial statements. Ratio is an arithmetical expression of relationship between two related interdependent items. In other words, ratio is the numerical or an arithmetical relationship between two figures or amount, between two figures or amounts or quantities of the same unit. Now, meaning of accounting ratio. We are discussing about meaning of accounting ratio. Accounting ratio by Dr. J. Beatty defined as the term accounting ratio is used to describe significant relationship which exist between figures shown in balance sheet, figures shown in profit and loss account, figures shown in a budgetary control system or in a part of accounting organization. The relationship of accounting ratios is very significant because it is based on cause and effect relationship and does help the finding out specific results on the basis of such relationship. For example, gross profit ratio is an indicator. Gross profit ratio is an indicator of relationship between sales which is the cause, and gross profit which is the effects. Or current ratio, for example, current ratio based on relationship between current assets and current liabilities explains the position of current assets from the view of payment of current liabilities. Current liability explains the position of current assets from the view of payment of current liabilities. Now, we are discussing about forms of expression of ratios. Forms of expression ratios are in three types. First is simple ratio or pure ratio. For example, current asset is 4,000 and current liabilities is 2,000. Then in form of simple ratio, it will be stated 4:2 or 2:1. Second form of expression is in percentage. In the quotient obtained by dividing one item by another. For example, sale rupees 4,000, sales rupees 4,000 and gross profit is 1,000. Now ratio in percentage will be 25%. It means gross profit will be 25% of sales. And the third form of ratio is a rate or time, expressed in a rate or time. It is expressed in a number of times a particular figure in compared with another figure. For example, sale if rupees 2,000 and stock is rupees 400, then it will be said that stock turnover is 5 times. Then it will be 5 times stock turnover. Generally, turnover ratios are expressed in this form of rate oblique time. Meaning of ratio analysis. Now, we should know what is ratio analysis. In a technique of analysis, comparison and interpretation of financial statement, it is a process through which the various ratios are calculated. It is a process through which the various ratios are calculated. And on the basis of conclusions are drawn which become the base of managerial decision. Ratio analysis involves 4 steps. Ratio analysis involves 4 steps. The first step is selection of relevant data. First of all, selection of relevant data should be selected. The second step is calculation of ratios. Calculation जो है, calculation of ratios on the basis of data, ratios are calculated. Ratio जो है calculate होता है on the basis of data. And the third step is comparison of ratios. Calculated ratios are compared with the other, the ideal standard. And the fourth step is interpretation of ratios. In the end, the conclusions are drawn on the basis of study. Next day, we will discuss about the characters and objectives of ratio. Thank you.